Hello everyone and welcome to this Python tutorial on dictionaries. So let's begin by kicking off the Python interpreter and let's create a dictionary. Dictionaries are created by using the curly braces, and dictionaries are basically exactly the same thing as a real world dictionary. So the main use of a dictionary is that you open it up, you look for a word, and then you get the definition of that word. So in this case, our word would be, let's say our word is 0, and its value is 0, but alphabetically. Okay, so when I call A, I can see that we have a dictionary with a value, with a key and a value. We could also have red equals color, or we could have shrub green, whatever, or let's have shrub equals 0. So there you go. I mean, the contents of a dictionary can be absolutely anything. The key can be anything, and the value can also be anything, as long as these items can be compared. Another way to create dictionaries, which you should also be aware of in case you come across them, is by calling dict, the constructor directly. So this does have one drawback, which we'll see later, but we could say red equals something. So B is now a dictionary. And here, instead of using keys and values, we're using arguments. And this does have the drawback of not being able to use integers as arguments, also worth remembering. So to access the keys and the values of your dictionary, you use the square brackets. So you can say A0 brings up 0, A red equals color, etc. And you can also delete things within your dictionary by calling the del keyword, and that actually removes the key and the value. To get all the keys within your dictionary, you can say a.keys, a.values will get the values, a.items actually returns a list with tuples, which makes it quite useful for iterating over your dictionaries. So you can say a kv in a.items, and then print kv. And this is quite common in Python. In fact, you see all the operations which you can perform on the dict. You can simply say help dict, and these are all the functions which you can, all the methods which you can actually call on dictionaries. So get is actually quite useful because if something does not exist inside your dictionary, it doesn't throw an error, whereas using the square brackets will throw an error. What else we have in there? We can see if a key is actually present, so we can say a.has key 0 true, doesn't have key 3 false. So there we go. I suggest that you explore the help for dictionaries and experiment with some of these methods. Dictionaries are really a fundamental data type in Python, so it's worthwhile investing time getting really comfortable and familiar with them. So that wraps it up for now. Thanks for your attention, and I'll see you in our next video.